So guys, I'll just deliver this. These are the gates. Yeah. Okay, so I was just delivered the car just few minutes ago.
Simiti ziweko tu hapo hapo. Kwanza waanzie zile alafu wapike. Okay guys.
What's up guys? It's another fine morning. Yeah, I'm already arrived at the friend construction. So it's already at home now. Not just a construction, but it's at home now. So I think a lot are still taking place. So I want to take a walk to the other side so that I can join my fellow guys by the other side so that we can do something for today. You know, the construction is almost over, and I heard from my boss we could just close it down today. You see, the cleanliness was being done here, and this is the bushes that were covering the entire place were collected here and burnt. Some burnt down and some they have not yet dried up, so they never burned down. So let me take you around, see what is going on here. We concreted this, and that piece have just remained. So the wall is almost over. I think as the wall is almost over, also the work inside have been always decreasing. So very soon we will finish it up. Hard it is just by tomorrow. So starting down there behind that big tree, not this one, but the other tree, down that one, from that point coming this way, all these have to be added some 2-3 blocks on top of these 2-3 blocks. Yeah, and I think it is true because you can see here I have 3 blocks immediately after the lintel. So as we do, we are just waiting the material to arrive and continue with the job for today. So you can see there's a few people there, some few people over there. Yeah, what was some standing on to work. So guys, these are the grandma's goats. You see, she's now having some here. Here's another one. The nervous. The outside here, she has some 2-3 chicken. She's now rearing the chicken. Also goats. You can see guys, from this to that, you can see from this to that. So you can imagine the nice job you did. See, from this one, almost these have already been exhausted. It was almost going down. You see here, you see this, initially there was a tree here, and it was nailed with something like this, yeah, so that they can hold the mud. But now you see the tree have already been exhausted. It is now tired, can't withstand the roughness of the mites. So I think this house was almost going down. This house was almost going down. As you can see, somehow it is bending. Somehow it's bending. So it was almost over. But thank you guys for your rescue to our grandma, and you really did amazing job, guys. From this to this, wow, that's amazing. Let the Almighty God bless you, add you more, like never. You see, now here, all these are hers. Wow.
But they did it like for 3 days, and I come now.
Oh,
Somebody, a good mixer. Yeah, a good mixer.
so now you have enough experience of
Yes.
which you can't do bad.
Ah, never.
Exactly, you are doing what is
Never.
commanded. So enjoy your work,
Yes.
and I can see also you used to cook for us here.
Ah,
It means that you are a very hardworking.
What's up, guys? I think, yeah, we are here on going with the job, and here this is what that is ongoing here. Yo, jenga wabana ni stuff. So here, remember, okay, maybe I might not introduce you today. We've been assigned here. We started by bringing the stone, carrying them from down there. I don't know if you can see people just standing at the roadside. So here, that's where we are carrying the stones from and bringing them to this place here. So we have done it, and we are almost, you can see this place, we are preparing it so that before the end of tomorrow, the tank might be laid here. So we are preparing a place for laying the delivered tank. You know, it was delivered early in the morning, and 5,000 liters tank. So this is what have been taking place here. We just started by laying eggs, or no, laying stones, and the concrete that's over here is just what remained. And now he is plastering. Our mason is plastering, so you can see what he is doing. He goes by the name Kichwa. Kichwa is here working on this. So he's an amazing guy. You can imagine, he just built this place with pure stones, only stones, and it is now circular. It is a perfect circle. You can see it. This guy is incredible. So that is taking place here. On the other side here, this was just planned past 2 days. By one of us just brought them and planted them here. There's another one on the other side. You can see it from here. Here is this one. So now, and also on today, the blocking have been taking place. So they just started early in the morning till now. They're still blocking the other side I'm gonna show you very soon. So here other blocks, and also we delivered the gate. This the gate pass gonna be installed here. So I'm the one who drag these for the foundation, so that pillars might be built here to hold the gate firm and make sure it is strong. Yeah guys, this is another hole for another pillar. So you see the gate, it is in two pieces. There is another piece and another piece, you see. So these they are going to join it, so we leave that to the people who are in charge. Okay. Yep. So I think before the end of the day, and this might be completely well done just before the end of tomorrow. Not today, but tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be completely installed. Everything will be on its position, or where it is supposed to be. So the wall is almost, the only place that have remained is just here. After fixation of all the installation of the gate, and there may be remain some parts that they might be needed to be filled. So that's why they're gonna work on by tomorrow, and the other side to make sure the wall is on it is complete, just like here. See here, they build it till it's now complete. So with no fear, this is what that is gonna be taking place by tomorrow. Oh, I see here, even this is my pit. This is the hole that I drug the other time as a pit. You see, the compound had a lot of this trash. So here are now good, and I think all these gonna be put inside here so that they can be burnt to reduce uh, the their presence outside here. They're bringing by image. So I want to take you around. See, the compound the other time was slashed down, and everything is now running smoothly. Everything is running smoothly, and I just decided to take you a walk down here so that I capture something and I go back to my job. I have a message that I should go and make sure his job runs. So here they tried to burn these down, and you see. So I think after tomorrow we will be here to make sure the entire compound. After tomorrow we will be here for landscape and make sure the entire compound is clean, and also it has a good level. So things like this is not the time to be here. So this should be prepared and remain with these big trees. You see how beautiful they are. Wow, they're really amazing. So this is what gonna remain here, but like this will be do with them out there, and make sure the entire compound is clean. Also we plant grass so that the soil won't be washed away by the running of water. You know, it is already on setting of rain. It's already on setting of rain, as you can see. By the other side, you can see by the other side, the clouds are very angry with us. So the rain very soon gonna drop down like never. The rain will hit the ground like never. So this is what is exactly going on here, and I wanna say thank you guys for your time. Thank you for keep on watching me, and thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So just continue with the same spirit, and oh my God bless you as many as possible. So let me go back to my job. Okay.
Wao tunaenda fans screening. So tupime mchanga. Mchanga. Ama. Na mwingine utatoka hapo kwa mwingine utasafiri. Ni unajua mngetoa hata zile kokoto hizi. Uishi akija. Kokoto gani? Hizo ziko hapo. Gani? Uishi mtu hivi. Gani? Kuna kokoto ziko hapo. Hizi. Huko juu. Kokoto hicho. Ziraje huko? Yaani unaona zile kokoto ziko nje. Si mngetoa mzilete huko. Maana hata akija mwambie tumetoa na kokoto.
So guys, I was preparing this. Let me show you something. Preparing this. We're gonna use it on smoothing this foundation here. This place that will be, the tank is gonna be left on. So this is only water and the cement. The cement. Itakuwa hata kwa zambarau kwa
unajua ni kwanza ni 2000 ngapi?
22. Ah, pole sana. Oh, so guys, this is what we're gonna do to smoothen it. Make sure entire place is smooth. So prepared for here. So after finishing plastering here, gonna pour this on top of it, and by tomorrow the tank will be laid on it. So this is the the job of today. We are almost also down there. We are just waiting for the mason to who gonna fix the gate here, you know, since this guy here they never reached out the price or the bottom one that they require to fix the gate here. So the boss went to look for another mason who gonna fix this. Okay, we're gonna fix gate here. You see the gate is just here. It was delivered very early in the morning today, very early in the morning. So we are still waiting for the masons. At the time they just reach this point here, we're gonna just prepare and start working on this here, on the gate here. You know, this kind of gate will be being opened inwards. You know, this is not that gate that we used to pull. The gate with how do they call it, rail, yeah, that metal that they lay it on, and if you want to get out, you just pull someone, then you push. Okay, so this is not such kind. This is or our grandma here will be opening it inwards. So if somebody have visited her, somebody with a car, a motorcycle, so she will be just opening one side for him to enter if it is just a motorbike, and if it is a vehicle, then she will be probably opening the entire of it. So guys, the work is still ongoing, and as soon as we gonna finish this, we will be preparing for tomorrow. You see, since the what is being needed for tomorrow's work is already here. So sorry guys, and immediately after this is finished, all this is done. Now we will turn on landscaping to make sure places like these come to a level. You see, this kind of soils like this one here, we will use it to make sure the compound is levelized well and things will be running smoothly. So stay tuned guys, stay connected, and just keep on supporting, keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on commenting. Yeah, and God will always bless you guys. Thank you, beautiful guys. Thank you very much. So stay tuned. So I've taken you the entire home, and now let me you may have a look now on the beautiful home of our great grandma. You can just see how beautiful it is. It is an amazing American style home. So, and I do this. Wow, that's really amazing. Really, I just take you to the other side so that you can see it. You can see the full image, all the view, the full picture of it. So on the right side, where the outdoor toilet is located. So this is where the outdoor toilet have been located, and back door. Okay, back door. Back door. This is where it's located, and now here the house. So guys, I think the place is overcrowded due to they are counting the blocks for each mason. You know, they've been working there since the morning. Now they are done with the job. So here my brothers are just, he's Mike Izo and his team. Mike Izo, hey bro, say something. You know, it have been a long time since you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm good too.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see you are on work.
Yeah, we are working here.
Yep.
Trying to push 1 to 3 things. so that everything can be okay.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
that's amazing.
yeah.
Just continue with the spirit. Make sure the job is done. You know, you're in charge. So guys, over here, this breaking down the exhausted house. I just say the exhausted house. Yeah, guys. Wow, they're laying the stones at the foundation here, and this Mike is under his team. So after this, they're gonna work with it out. So guys, stay tuned, stay and continue supporting by subscribing, and remember to leave comments.
Looking really good. Yes, can you see the perimeter wall going up? And I really appreciate it.
Hapa hatuwezi. Hii hata kama ijachukua mrango. So guys, they're bringing down the wall. Can you imagine? Maybe home could have helped me, but since my health condition and that it's not that much good, have to don't want to include myself in that. So Ken, haikubomoa inaitwaje?
Demolition.
Hey, Kiingereza ni ngumu ndugu yangu. Na kujenga, kuboma.
Building.
Kuboma.
Kubomoa ni kudemolish.
Aya, na kuna ile kuboma sasa kwa hiyo matope. The process of putting the matope. Acha mchezo bwana.
Sasa wametoka.
The process sasa destruction sinajua. Destruction ni kuharibu. I know that. Sasa ile process ya kuweka matope kwa hizo vijiti.
Kujenga sasa kuhoma.
Kuhoma, homing.
Hiyo bado ni pure.
Okay. Oh bro, maybe you give me a space to enter. So guys, here is my brother Michael. Yeah, he want me to be his cameraman. Yeah, cameraman.
You see me?
Yeah, I'm seeing you.
Ngoja kwanza.
Your phone have a lot of right boy.
Yeah.
Hey,
Sasa German version.
German or the country goes by the name Korea. I think this is a Korean machine, not German.
No, you think, but me I know.
Huh?
You think, but me I know.
Hey, this is Korean machine, bro. Not German. Germany is for Mercedes Benz. Boya, may hold me this so that I help them. Oh, okay. So guys, trying to bring it down. There is Michael. Just climb on top. Oh, that's amazing, man. They brought it down.
Work is working.
Wow, wow, wow,
Work.
wow.
A lot of milk needed.
Yeah, a lot.
A lot of milk needed. Now this is the only side we're doing it. Maybe I'll start here. Gaki atakata pale juu.
Hostel pale ni kati huko.
Ukate pale.
Kati wote. Pale kwa atipanga.
This place is dusty. You know. So guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time zone. So this today's job, I think, is continuing why it was left just by yesterday. Really progressing amazingly, and I want to take you here, see what have happened and what is taking place right away. These are just the blocks. They were just formed just by yesterday evening. I told you we had some industries here, processing industries. So they worked on this. You see, the entire compound was flooded with the blocks. So they have been used some. As you can see, there's a brother there who is still picking. So you know, they're somehow wet. Let me have a look. Yeah, but at least these they have dried a bit. But most of them are still wet. Carrying them becomes something not easy. So really needs care to be carried under high, I think, under care. You know, I don't know how I can put this sentence. The highest, you know, of caring, the highest point of caring. So it needs a lot of care, so that we can't misuse our cement, our sand, and the water. You know, all of those are being bought. So if it happens that we break them down, that will be the misuse of our little resources that we have. So I think for somebody like me, we just left them so that they can dry and we can take them later. Okay, so guys, the job is really amazing. You can see the wall here is really running. The wall is really running. Okay, it moves at the speed of an electric train, or maybe a hyperjet. And today some masons are moving at a speed of a shooting star. You can see on the other side the wall have already got its shape. So this was the job of yesterday, and I think there's a mason here who's gonna work on this sand. You see, it contains some cement, not just some, but it contains cement. You know, these have to be used here so that they can build, starting these points up to the far end there where the entrance is. So here the person who is in charge, or a handman for the mason who will be working at this point. So hi guys, so that's my friend here, goes by the name Goldson. So guys, this was delivered by yesterday, and today we delivered 2 tippers, one there and the other one down there. So here is our mason, top mason.
Hi.
Is working here. Hey,
Yeah.
brother,
Yeah.
how is the job?
Job is very nice.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, continue
Yeah.
as you do your beautiful job here.
Thank you very much.
So guys, this is his job. I told you they are really moving at a speed of a shooting star. You can see he just started here this morning, right as we are talking. It's on the other corner. So he's doing to his best, you know. He's doing to his best. So this was just built by yesterday. This was just by yesterday, and the job I think is amazing. But I think these guys just messed somewhere, and I think you can even view by yourself. Mister, hii kitu alijenga kavu, unaweza ona kweli kavu, yani ni kavu, si straight. Wall iko kavu. Ona hapa, unaona hapa iko kavu, lakini hiyo na hizi zingine ziko sawa, but hii hapa, this is really it has a curve. So he's saying they could a bit, guys. So guys, the demolition of this house was going on, and I think this is what they have done for today. They have demolished already these. I think there were 2 here, no, 3 rooms, not even 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This place had 4 rooms, so they have brought down, and here you can see the entire wall is lying here. You see, starting here to that point at the house there, the remaining, okay, the remaining mother house, and also here was starting this point here, going that way, near to there, so to there, that part. So they brought the entire house down. So I'm gonna show you something here. Oh, there's something here, you see. Yeah, this is their door, made in African way, you know. This seems like it was made those long time ago, long time ago. Yeah, ancient those, just how they were looking like, just made of sticks, and here see, use this to make sure to lock it. Wow. So let me turn it around so that you can see it clearly. Don't know the type of trees that they were using, but they seem like they were very strong, because you can't imagine this type to the recent world that we are. Hey, this is like something that was made 70 centuries. You can see it. So that was our door. On the other side, I'm still working with my mason, and also here there's a mason who's trying to fix the wall. He's really fixing it, make sure it is well fixed. And these are the iron sheets that were removed from there. So I want to take you down there so that you can see what my mason have already done. And there are cones. Don't know if you remember, I was in charge of harvesting these corns. So down here we call them maize. You can see, hey, they're really clean, very clean, very clean. Wow, they're really amazing. Oh, grandma does a beautiful job. Hey, I think she's a perfect farmer, even though she's a peasant farmer. You see, she only grow corns to support the family for our own use. So
Hiyo tangi kama kesho kutwa ama kesho.
Hata kesho.
Hii safi inakauka kesho.
Yaani hii inakauka, yaani mapema tu kesho.
this is what I was preparing. Now it's time to be used here.
Huko maana ndio pale.
Alafu kitatoka hapo kuja hapo. Na unajua kuna tanki nyingine kule.
Wewe inapandisha ndio ni ya juu.
Hii ina supply kwa nyumba. Yaani
Hata unaona, hata hii wanafaa waweke hivi, maji kijaa hapo inaenda kule. Ndio maana nilikuwa na prefer hii tank ingewekwa pale nyuma, ikijaa chini napeleka juu. So guys,
maji inaweza panda huko juu.
yeah, sasa unajua hii distance ya kutoka kwa hii tank kwenda ile ingine ndio ni mbali, lakini wakiweka hizo pipes iteremke chini alafu inaenda hivi itapanda kule
juu. Kalishe dumu
ile pressure ipeleke maji juu. So guys, this is what that is ongoing here. You can see now it's taking its shape. Wow guys, the mason here is smoothening it. So that's the process. So before today ends, this will be done now.
hii yangu. Hii tunatumiaga tu akili.
Sasa kila siku unapata 5,000 kwa mwezi utakuwa umepata ngapi?
Kwenye hii nyumba siku yenye nimelipwa hela ndogo ni jana. Jana nilitoa 1,200.
Ati ni pesa kidogo sasa.
Yaani toka nije kwenye hii nyumba. Jana tu ndo nimelipwa hiyo hela.
Siku zingine unalipwa
kuanzia 1,500.
So you can see.
anakula pesa mingi sana. 1,500.
Wale unarauka mapema.
Sasa kitu unafuanza kampuni yako ya ujenzi.
Sasa unakaa Tanzania side gani?
Tanzania, yani unaona Tanzania kama mimi ukifika tu stendi pale. Unaona boda boda, umuulize hivi nipeleke kwa Ukicho. Boda boda tu. Watu wananijua wengi sana. Yaani ukifika tu unaletwa nyumbani.
Kichwa. Ndio jina yako rasmi?
Jina yangu rasmi ni David.
Je?
David. Na David. Nyumbani wetu ukakutana ni hizo kitu. Mtaani tu kama hapa kwenye kazi. Na sokoni.
Nakuja unipeleke Tarime. Tuende paka kule Dodoma. Tumalizie Dar es Salaam. Uwafute.
Wewe saka tu maokoto.
Yala
Maokoto tu.
Mane.
Maokoto is money.
Pale kwa msini ya Tanzania kule tunajivinjari kule.
kwa msini haitoshi.
Itoshi ya Kenya.
Tanzania haitoshi. Tuende hata Mwanza. Haitoshi.
Wajadi ile pesa kwanza nitakupa.
Sasa moja hapa si 1,000 unaenda na urudi. 1,000 ya Kenya.
1,500.
1,000 mimi
Wazisha panda bei sasa hivi. Alishakuandisha tu beti hela. Ninataka tuweke hapo stop. Kenya wewe weke pamoja. Alishakuandisha. Mafuta yamepanda sasa hivi.
Mafuta pia imepanda huko. Kwa vidadi viko kwetu.
Mafuta inapanda.
Mafuta inapanda kule.
It is almost done, guys. You can see almost. Just trying to fix. Make sure it is smooth, no roughness. Yeah. That's the mason kichwa. This kichwa. Kichwa. Na hizi za hapa kama hapa. Silete hiyo malize hapo kwa chini chini hapo.
Kichwa angekuwa akona adabu. Angekuwa ameenda. Angekuwa na yuko angekuwa ameenda mbaya.
Atumie nini?
Nani? Enda kufanyia nini? Si ndio hiyo hapo bwana.
So much of going on.
Oya.
Work.
Kwa brother mani. Si hiyo hapo. Hii hapa.
Teremsha.
Stories zenye unanipa mimi sijielewi. Si hapa.
Discreet.
Nataka kuchanga viparo mbili. Ona mzee. Njoo ndio hapa. Mwage chini. Nenda chini hiyo mjua.
Wanatumia bro.
Haya tena shuka.
Sasa tushuke wanatumia.
Haya. Endesha kusikia.
Unajua mimi usili. Nita 50. Hiyo video inaleta mjini. Napata 10k views.
Hadi mlikuwa almost.
Si ndio?
Mlikuwa almost.
Nini?
Ilikuwa almost kujaa.
Shada.
Ule dem.
Nipo.
Yaani nikamuuliza kama mimi sina haja.
Nilikuwa
Nimekuja tu kuwatembelea.
So guys, that's all the job for today. I'm still mixing the concrete in there. I was up there. I'm done with it. So behind here, I've already finished it. And now I'm looking forward to work on this one here, but I have not yet fixed the timbers have not been fixed, so I have to give myself a bit time to have some rest, and then I'll be back so that make sure this place here is well poured the concrete. So I think the mason is outside and is trying to fix the timber. So for the meantime, just go at the other side, try to do some landscaping and see how the day is gonna end. So guys, stay connected, continue supporting. I go by the name Felix254. You can check me out. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also leave a comment. Okay, stay tuned.